welcome to my show today. They're all things health and wealth, and today we are going to be speaking about what happened in the market yesterday, where Bitcoin just literally fell out the sky, and obviously, well, hopefully none of you catch that, because that would be the epitome of a falling knife, and you trying to catch the falling knife. With that being said, anything I mentioned in this video today is not financial advice. I am just here sharing news and good funky life about the crypto space and what we're doing and where we are heading. So, being said, if you haven't yet come to my channel, come to my community, and yeah, if you're watching this and you like my videos and you like my content, I have a lot that's going to be shared over the next who knows how long time. I'm busy planning to do live streams on health issues and health stuff that are related to alkalizing the body and how that keeps our mental state strong and clear and our emotions in check, so that when things like the drop in Bitcoin happens yesterday, that we don't get this cringing anxiety and this unhealthy effect of life, because things like that do happen, and we just of course have to protect ourselves for what is going on at this point in time. But with that being said, yeah, let's get straight into it, guys. And yeah, hit that notification bell so you know when I hit my next videos as well. And please come and support me on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Although some of these things I agree with Elon Musk here, Facebook and Instagram, man, for years and years I've struggled with these programs, but they do keep you in touch with your friends and your family. People can see what you're doing, and I think that's the cool part about it. But at the same time, the uncool part about it is that you're completely data tracked non-stop. Everything about you, I mean, probably to the color of your underwear, is known on those channels. So don't really want to be engaging in such things like that. So with that being said, let's get straight, guys. Let's straight to the content, because I don't have much time here today to waste. So I'm just going to go and talk about all the technical about what's happened in the market. So let's have a look at the Nasdaq. Bitcoin has been following the Nasdaq trade now. General right now we're critical. Extremely critical down here. So at the base, I see us coming down to the 12,000 line here, so you guys see. I say this to you guys because trying to taper and these kinds of things, I think they're losing some control. Are they? If we so we had spike for knocking out this level and meeting us, and basically and immediately back again. So for me, I would prefer if we hovered around these levels beneath the 14-15 level, and then just and then push. Look what happens when the level here we actually run up. So you can see this over here. So run up which is a good sign for me. But the CACAO isn't really speaking language. And right now we're just at a very important level. So who could hover around? Guys, I must be honest, I'm not too terribly. I don't believe that the recession is going to happen today or tomorrow, perhaps even this year. I think they're going to try and push out and hold a recession out for as long as they possibly can, especially because there is elections happening. So elections are markets are heavily influenced by elections and election outcomes, and vice versa. And elections, Canada, it doesn't. I'm going to do that one here. Close that one. James like to close gaps. So I'm going to say to you, we should find some support in this area, and perhaps see a bit of a rally back up to this kind of level, the 15,000 level. Okay, I don't know. It could take weeks, could take months at this point, but let's go and have a look at the dollar before we carry on anywhere else, because the dollar is showing more. It's currently at okay. In fact, let me go into the week so that you guys can. The week is gonna. So let's have a look. On the week, you can see previous look at those videos. But if we go yeah, you can. There was major resistance at levels. Okay, previously before. Okay, so right now we're just at the current level, and up to March 2020. Yeah, you can see at the one on the Fibonacci to wait Fibonacci. So we need absolute retracement on the Fibonacci, and just because within this area the root Fibonacci you, we're in this. Look at the channel triangle. Use upward channel here on the middle and down channel. By the year 20, there's change in all wonderful ways. So the dot is very let's open this. Okay, what happened? Okay, something wrong. So, anyways, you saw about the dollar there. Let's move on to the next loads itself. Now, Bitcoin for me, guys, I've spotted something here very direct with you guys in this moment. Okay, over here, November 2017. Okay, when you look at the dollar, November 2017. Oh, let's get rid of that. I actually wanted to make it a big screen. Oh boy. Minimize. Dollar peaked and crypto fell here. Okay, that was this complete. Then March 21, we were right here at the. There you go, at the top of crypto, and the dollar fell, and the dollar fell while this was growing, and then when we got there, boom, Bitcoin fell and the dollar grew. So, and the same thing is happening right now. But what I want to share with you is on the stochastic. On the stochastic here, and see here, the moment the blue line crosses the red, it's you here. Stochastic RSI rally, we came down a little bit more again, never that low. Okay, and continue up. The stochastic RSI came below the dot where a buy signal is on the bottom side, and on the top side is a sell signal. So right now I'm going to say since March or April 21 last year, we literally have been doing the same thing from this point down. Okay, so this point down. So I'm going to say from December 2017, let's call it, to April 2019. That's 1 year and 14 months. About 14 to 15 months, more or less, of capitulation, of sideways action. I'm going to say to you right now, look at the same date, April 21. Isn't that interesting that April 21 was the start of this one? There, April, yeah, 2 years ago exactly, we were at that point. 2 years today, we're currently broken lower, okay, and we're capitulating this level here. That means that we're extremely oversold on the monthly time frame. Here, sorry, the RSI is also pulling down, so the RSI might be a little bit more. The major support on the rise. I'm you right. My case for you is extremely bullish. Okay, extremely, especially considering fall. The faster it goes back up. The slower it goes up, or the slower it goes down, the slower it will take to go back up or come down. So you can see here, this was a slow grind up. I mean, this took right to this point, but here we have to the time. So I'm going to say to you that we're definitely looking for a huge retracement on the dollar, which will allow Bitcoin in its current areas. Let's get a closer look here so that we can actually see, because we are finding support on the ribbons also, and on my who knows here, the 3K level, and then kind of wick out like these here, wick, and then push back up. I'm going to say to you, for the candle here we have never seen a candle at these current price level close below this purple box. This purple box is 36,000. So I'm going to say to you that no, that hasn't happened besides for this one. And then what happened? This candle clicked down, pulled back up, showed buy volume. People came in down again and pulled straight back up, closed above that candle, and then the trap. So I'm going to say to you guys right now, we're bullish cases strong than bearish case. But let's see what happens today on the liquidations in the market, and let's see what kind of effect that has on the Bitcoin price. And yeah, I'm just going to say to you, the data currently sitting, we closed the bar under the candle, and so it's looking pretty dangerous. But on the wedge on the RSI, we have found the bottom. So who knows? Scenario, and who knows? We might start turning around back here. I'm going to say to you already, we haven't had the US market open yet, and the dollar's still looking pretty strong. Today's current gone below yesterday, which is a good sign. Okay. If we do start, if the day's candle closes like this, we know for the next few days we're going to definitely be tumbling down, guys. I'm going to say that to you straight up. This is our next level. I've said that before. But if you go and have a look here, these are critical levels, and every time, even if we close the candle below, we immediately pull back up. So let's go and see a little bit further back here, so that we can see the same box. Broke back. I've found purple box, found some support on the purple box, and continued the rally. So I'm a lot more bullish on Bitcoin and the Fed, and controlation 11th of May, and that is going to determine where we are here, because of course Bitcoin is an inflationary hedge also. So protect your money, protect your assets, get yourself right now in the link below, sign up for the Bybit in the Bybit link below, and you can use yourself to put in a position here. Guys, be careful. I'd say if you were to long anything from this point, I'd be very, very cautious because of the volume in yesterday's candle. To you, if here a odd would be a stop loss, a perfect stop loss level if you were to enter in this point. But I am going to say to you, you would see a rally back up to the 61.8 level, which is this consolidation level here. It's so the choppy range for me right now is between 45 and 36k on the Bitcoin price. Trade it from the bottom to the top, make some money. From the top to the bottom, make some money. If you're doing short-term trades, remember to just keep your leverage low, because of course high leverage in this kind of volatility right now is extraordinarily risky. So take care of yourself. Have yourself a really happy and beautiful and wonderful day there today, guys. Love you guys. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Take care and have yourselves a beautiful day. Ciao. Love you. Bye.